that's only for toll fee, parking,
Parking.
and what else?
Yeah, these two.
And you can use it in our other car also.
Yes. The sticker just for this car.
Yeah.
This year I just take it away. Then I sit. I used another car so I can use it.
That's better.
Yeah. So, and even you want other space, some places that not accept this the laser sticker, so you cannot use. You have to use this.
Okay. Because there in Philippines we use sticker, so that sticker is only for that car.
Yes, yes. Malaysia also we have your sticker. You went to other area and use. Malaysia, of course, Malaysia bigger than Singapore. So you went to other places, they are like we have one China, Taiwan also.
So, but here in Malaysia they allow it.
Because many Malay guys use motorcycle.
Okay.
So you cannot set this rules because once you set these rules, Malay people will come up. The government scared.
Like that's only for one day.
Huh?
For one day.
No.
Or 1 month.
For 1 month.
Okay, I thought it was for one day.
For 1 day. The rich man.